Ninjas. We are waiting for V and Regina. Whoa, hey, what's going on? Whoa, Dax.
He's not okay.
Yeah. What happened?
I don't know if he's a Project Zorgo member or not.
We did see a PZ member put the neural contagion system on him.
What?
Yeah, so we don't know if Project Zorgo's controlling his brain or not.
Well, why'd you bring him here? Dax,
We
are
gotta help him.
you okay, buddy?
I heard he's a spy ninja now.
Yeah, we had some tryouts, V. We were looking for some new spy ninjas because we thought someone betrayed us.
Watch this, guys. My packages!
Package, yeah.
He's been malfunctioning whenever he hears the word packages.
He sounds like a robot. What the heck?
He's been glitching out.
So maybe if we surround him with like familiar things like boxes, it'll jog more of his memory back.
Yeah.
I hate jogging.
What happened to you, Dax?
Remember the last we saw him, Project Zorgo stun-starred him.
Stun stars. Haha. Whoa, beautiful.
You don't remember our house, Dax?
Nah, well, who are you?
Dax, I got a challenge for you.
Yeah, whoever beats me in this challenge gets some secrets.
Secrets about what?
Maybe he's talking about the secret code to the safe.
He's a Project Zorgo member after all, I think, so he would know.
We gotta get in the safe to destroy Project Zorgo.
We have to beat him at this challenge so we can get into that safe. Let's do this.
Dax, do you recognize this? Boxes. They're practically your friends.
Yeah, boxes. Yeah, cool.
Let's do the box flip challenge.
Let's go.
Okay, let's see who can build the tallest box tower.
Like this. Okay, so there's one box. So now you gotta put one on top of that by flipping it, huh?
Yes.
Oh, geez, it's gonna be tough.
No problem.
Oh, two.
Two.
All right, see if you can do 3, V. Oh, V, it fell already, so you got 2 so far.
Yeah, let's see how well we can do, Regina.
Yeah, if you think you're so good, let's see it.
Okay, first box. Second box. Easy.
Uh-oh.
Box number 3. Beat V.
Yeah, that was cool.
Box number 4. Here we go.
Regina got 3 boxes. Hi, Daniel. You think you can beat that?
Doesn't even have to be asked, of course. Let's do it.
Oh, he's got to tie his shoe first. Dangerous box game.
Oh, little Danny.
Everything has to be absolutely perfect. 1, 2, 3, begin.
Wow.
Yes!
Ooh!
Okay. I'm gonna get a nice fresh one. Never been used before.
Oh! It's okay, Daniel.
No, it's not. But I don't know if 3 is good enough, Regina. Dax is the expert package handler, you know? I feel like he might be able to beat 3.
It's time to flip these boxes.
Oh.
Dax. What happened, boy?
Is this why all of our boxes that arrive come damaged?
He has to take that up with customer service.
Okay, my turn. Box number 1. Box number 2. There we go. 3 in a row. I'm gonna beat Regina.
The tie so far.
Hey.
Chad.
Oh! I tied with you, Regina, and we both beat Dax. That means you gotta give us one of those juicy secrets about Project Zorgo that you know.
Yeah, Project Zorgo. They were doing a lot of dumb stuff to me. Like they put that thing on my head. You remember that? Yeah.
We already know that information, Dax.
They also put me through different other little thingies.
Did playing this game help jog your memory at all?
Yeah, it was so fun to feel the cardboard with my finger skin. I don't know if my mind is foggy or if the
my gosh.
the room was foggy instead.
Wait, Regina, remember what happened to you?
What happened? Was I in a room filled with fog?
Yeah!
I remember to document it. Here's my flashback story.
I'm gonna make you stupider than you ever Give him the deuce!
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Whoa!
They did that to you too!
Yeah.
Okay, this is starting to make more sense now.
Let's play more challenges to jog his memory.
Yes.
I hate cardio.
Spy Ninja Huddle.
I miss these.
Welcome back.
That was not the secret we wanted. We want the passcode to the safe.
So we just gotta keep playing these challenges?
And we gotta jog his memory. Dax, I've got the next challenge for you. It is called Get Your Buddy Wet Challenge. One of these 3 boxes will contain your buddy. You will take this bucket of water and dump it. And if you get your buddy wet, you are the winner. Who wants to go first? Daniel?
Oh, I keep getting wet lately, but sure.
Jump in a box, Daniel. We won't take a look and see which box you jump into.
Don't look, don't look.
Any volunteers?
Oh, me.
Which one are you gonna choose?
I have a feeling he's gonna pick box number 1.
Number 1.
Okay, Danny boy, I'm coming for you.
Oh gosh. Oh, Dax, don't look.
Someone's hitting the box outside.
Yeah.
Dax, you're cheating, Dax. Don't look. Are you ready to go, Regina?
I'm ready to go.
Oh my gosh.
Daniel's gonna get wet.
Are you ready?
Oh no, he's done! Daniel, which one are you in? She didn't get me! I'm in this.
Hey! Way to go, Daniel.
Thanks, man. Thought I heard you say box number 1.
And that number 1.
I was so scared I thought you meant this was number 1.
Oh.
Depends on how you look at it.
Daniel, your time for revenge.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Daniel, it's your turn to get revenge on Regina. Do you know which box you're gonna pick?
I have no idea yet. I'm gonna try to get closer and smell her aroma through the boxes.
What does she smell like?
What do you think? Chicken nuggets?
Oh.
Okay, guys, I chose box number 2.
Which box are you gonna pick? 1, 2, or 3?
I'm just gonna go for 2.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Okay. If you pick the right box, does that mean you win? And that means Dax could reveal a secret about Project Zorgo.
Yes.
Okay, Daniel. Regina's in one of these boxes.
Hey, Regina, you in there? I don't hear anything.
I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared.
I'm gonna go for box number 2. No good reason for it. Here we go. 3, 1.
Regina! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh.
Yes!
Daniel!
I'm sorry, Regina. No hard feelings, but you gotta play to win the game.
Oh my gosh! Great job, Daniel!
I'm all wet.
Oh.
I can smell the chicken nuggets. I told you.
Hey, I don't smell like chicken nuggets. Oh, maybe a little bit.
All right, the next contestants should be Chad and Dax. I am the host of this game, so I don't have to go, and I don't like water, so it's my choice.
You're the host with the most, V.
With the mostest.
Dax, you go first. You get in a box.
Okay.
Okay, Chad, did you have a technique?
I feel like Dax, he's been like going, he might be in the box twitching and making noise.
Okay.
That's gonna give me a clue. Let us get some water in the bucket. Get ready, Dax, because you are gonna get wet. Just to make sure. Okay, not that one, good. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Am I freaking you out yet, Dax?
Project Zorgo's always...
Because I am gonna pick number 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh no! He's not in number 2! He's in number 1! Oh man, he got locked out.
Hi.
Project. That's cool.
Oh, you lost your hat there. Okay.
Man, that's one way to get your heart really scary.
Okay, Dax, which box are you gonna choose? 1, 2, or 3?
3. Yeah. Since Chad is extra tall, I think I need some extra. Put more water in it.
Oh.
Okay.
Chad, are you ready? Just picked box number 3. I hope you're ready. Because you're gonna get a lot of water on you.
Oh no!
Did Dax cheat?
I know my packages.
Oh my god!
How did you know, Dax?
I handled a lot of packages in my time, I said.
Wow, well, I hope at least that this game charged your memory and now you remember maybe a passcode for a safe?
Yeah, I remember 3 numbers.
What?
It
Okay.
was 1, 2, and 3. They put me in like these different rooms, and one number was 3, which had a spinny chair device.
That's the room that you were in, Daniel!
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, Project Zorgo put me in a spinny chair too, Dax. Or V did. Somebody did. It was for like getting information out of me. It was like, we'll keep spinning you around unless you tell us secrets. You know what? Wait a minute. Dax knows the address of the safe house. He was with Project Zorgo. When you were in the chair, you told Project Zorgo where we live.
Oh no!
What?
Yes.
No,
Hey,
no,
Dax.
I did it. I did it. Here,
And you guys recruited him to the Spy Ninjas?
Would you do that,
Dax, you left me alone with Project Zorgo. I'll just show you what happened. It's okay.
Alright, Dax, you dumb idiot. Tell us where the Spy Ninja safe house is. Tell us right now.
Nah, dude. I'm a spy ninja for life.
You better tell us where the Spy Ninja safe house is, or else we're gonna spin the truth out of you.
What are you talking about, dude? That sounds like absolute fun.
You asked for it.
So what, dude?
Tell us. Doesn't feel very good, huh? You're getting all dizzy and stuff. A little stupider than usual, huh?
Yeah, I'm very dizzy.
Where's the safe house? Hey!
Wow, dude! This is so much fun! It's totally radical, dude!
Hey, that's not supposed to be fun. That's supposed to be bad.
Looks like you're having fun.
Yeah, it was tons of excitement.
Daniel was about to throw up.
They kept asking me all these questions and stuff.
So it didn't work on you. So that means the safe house is safe.
Yeah, I am spy ninja, right? Yeah, integrity.
Integrity. Yep. That's, you got it. Yep.
That's not one of the 3 traits, but close enough.
Yeah, do you know what another spy ninja tenant is?
What's that?
BRAVERY.
BRAVERY.
Which I know what we should do for the last challenge.
What?
Let's go! Use bravery in a sentence.
Very good.
That's very right, brah. We're gonna do what's in the box challenge. You need to have enough bravery to put your hands in there and find out what you're touching. Oh yeah, in the box.
Whoa.
Chad versus V. Are you ready, spy ninjas, to see what's in the package?
Let's see.
Have you ever seen one of those?
Oh.
No, I have not.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever known one of those things exist.
What the heck?
I'm really worried now.
All right, figure out. Oh, it's closer to the back.
Oh, it's V's hand. I win. I was first.
That's cute, but that's not the item. It's a little bit closer to the back. Chad's
What is this?
I can't reach. I'm too. My arms are not long enough.
There you go, V.
What the?
Oh, it's a coconut.
Sound like it might be a coconut, but it's not like round. I feel like a coconut would be round, but it is hairy like a coconut. What if I agree with him?
Then that means you guys are a match made in heaven.
But I was the one to guess first, if I'm right.
Doesn't he just drive you cocoa nuts sometimes?
Wait, so Daniel and Regina, you guys have never seen a coconut in real life?
The coconuts in the Philippines are green. I've never seen one of those things.
Well, everybody, this is called the coconut. Now you know. And you don't have to be like Daniel and Regina.
Hey.
What is Dax putting in the box? Put your head up here.
All right, you already know the deal. Just, figure it out.
Let's Vanna White this.
Beautiful, V.
Oh.
Woo! That looks pretty fun. Not gonna give any clues.
A hamster.
I don't want it to be alive. What if it bites me?
What do you think, V?
I'm not gonna say anything. I think it's gonna be some fun reactions.
Oh no!
Are you guys ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, let's just do it. Ready?
You can do it. You got this, Regina.
On 3.
2, 1. Okay, remember it's on the back of, it's towards the back.
Come on, Regina, do it.
I'm scared.
It's gelatinous.
It was moving.
Don't say anything again until she touches it.
It's like disappearing. It's like goes away after a while.
Goes away?
Like I had a big chunk of it, it just disappeared. I think
I'm
it's
not
a
scared anymore.
raw chicken.
Raw chicken.
Interesting.
I think I know what it is.
Whoever gets it first.
Jello.
Red-
Green Jello.
red Jello.
Green Jello.
Whoa, interesting.
All right, go ahead and look at your dirty hands.
Green Jello!
Like, she must have like eyes painted on her finger skins.
I thought it was like a squid or something.
Dax, you made this Jello? Jello takes a lot of work.
Yeah, I made it to the grocery store to buy it.
What's next?
Never heard Dax laugh like that.
Are you guys worried?
Yes?
No, because I am a choose Spy Ninja.
Hope it's not something weird like that coconut thing.
Open your eyes, guys. It's time for the next challenge.
Let's check it out.
Bro.
You ready?
Yes!
Very interesting. What do you think?
It's a big boy.
Like me? It's me, my twin.
So it's a chicken then.
Oh, what?
You love chicken!
You call me chicken?
No, you love eating chicken, Daniel!
Nobody calls me chicken.
You eat chicken all the time, you love it!
Talk to the hand.
You know, the hand should actually be busy trying to figure out what's in the box.
Go ahead and reach in.
Here we go.
Whoa!
What the heck?
What is this?
It feels like a donut in a way.
No!
Like
Oh, I know what it is! It's a dog bone.
I can't break it, really.
Ah!
Oh.
It's definitely sharp.
I can take little chunks off of it if I try hard enough.
Ow! This is like what Bam Bam has on her head.
Bam Bam.
From the
Flintstones.
Flintstones.
Oh, the vitamins they make. Oh, those are delicious.
V has it 100%.
V is the winner. Pull it out. Take a look. Take a look.
I can't. Oh! Oh my gosh, Daniel!
It stinks.
Oh, it smells.
Oh my gosh!
Get it away from me. Oh.
Okay, so the winner of this round is gonna have 2 wins in a row. That means they're gonna be the big winner.
I got you, Regina. I'm gonna beat you.
Last round, it was just Jello. Can't be that bad.
Regina, I think this one's gonna be a lot more disgusting and gross than Jello.
You're just trying.
Oh.
All right, you guys can open your eyes. Oh, they were already open.
Would you just take a look at that? I mean, don't.
Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I hate this kid.
What?
What? Ah!
It's touch it, Regina. It's slimy. Just touch it. It feels like it's meat or something. Oh wait.
Ah!
There's a bowl. Oh wait.
Regina's not even touching it.
What is this? What is that?
It feels creamy. It feels like Mexican food. Guacamole, baby.
No,
I think-
it's not guacamole. I know guacamole.
No.
Cottage cheese.
No, cottage cheese is more like chunks and pieces. It's like whipped cream with things in it.
Like try to go like really deep.
Oh, there's like something in it.
Inside?
What is this?
I thought this was part of the bowl right here. Is this meat? Is this bone?
What is?
Oh, wait.
Ew, what is it?
It's a cream pie. Some sort of pie. It is a pumpkin pie. No, wait. Pumpkin pie. No.
But you're on the right track.
It's a pie.
You're right, it has a crust.
Lemon meringue pie.
Cream pie, Boston cream.
Actually, I don't remember what it is.
What? Dad, are you serious?
Can you look on the box and see what it is?
I threw that old box and put it in this new one.
No, but I can tell what it is.
Taste it and see if it changes your mind.
Oh!
It's, I don't know, it looks like a cream pie to me. Banana cream pie. Do you smell it?
Wow!
I was trying to help you smell it, Regina. Why'd you do that?
I smell it just fine!
But you gotta get it up in your nose.
No more! No mas!
I think it's just actually banana cream pie.
Woo! High five, everybody.
No thanks, no thanks, no thanks, no.
I was joking, Dax. You splattered it everywhere.
This is so fun, guys. Is this what being a spy ninja is all about?
Well, actually, being a spy ninja is a lot of work.
It's really tough. I've been through a lot in the past week. I don't think I have what it takes anymore.
Because you realize how difficult it is?
I had to deal with
Box is collapsing.
I had to deal with Project Zorgo members. I got kidnapped for my first time. I got tased, and I had all this stuff done to me.
What are you trying to say, Dax?
I'm gonna give up my position as a spy ninja to V.
That is so nice of you, Dax.
You don't have to give it up. I'm the original spy ninja, so you're not giving anything up.
V, we'd like to welcome you back into the spy ninjas now that Dax has relinquished his position to you.
Get over here, V. Get over here.
Welcome back.
Yeah, V,
No.
get over here.
I've been back. I never left. Kind of.
I mean, yeah, you did, but... High five, V. Spy ninja, high five, V.
Daniel!
Oh man, who's gonna clean all this up?
Thank you to all you notification ninjas who show up whenever we post a brand new video in the first 60 minutes. I'm showing you comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me and subscribe to Chad because the next video is gonna be on his channel.
Right here.
All right, kick ball out, everyone! Kick ball!
Kickball!